Okay.
You just close it a little bit. Your best limits.
This
So
is
relax your
limit.
back. Okay.
Damn.
All right.
Magic finger, yeah, yeah. And I've been scared. See, there's nothing to be scared of.
Yeah, it's nice to stay.
Oh.
Drop. Relax.
Oh my God.
Is it okay?
Magic finger.
What?
You have, that's where the major pain is. Ah, lie. What? I'm not a Muslim, but Alhamdulillah. Wow, thank God. Wow. Jesus.
Okay.
Man, people need to know you more.
Yeah.
Honestly. Because, no, this is relieving. This is very relieving. God, I'm grateful. Thank God. I had to take one mind. Now, I feel like a baby.
So
I like it. Thank you.
I want you to relax your two legs for a while. Easy.
Jesus, why did you do that? You're wicked, though. You're wicked.
I know.
What? I was still waiting for breathing. Oh my God. No, you're weak. Oh my God, that thing came from down. Wow. How did you know how to do this? Jesus Christ. Oh, this was good. I'm really grateful. Like, no.
Yeah.
I know I'm happy. I'm really happy. I'm in short, I'm everything. I'm grateful. Thank you. This was more relieving. We cannot rest. 3 o'clock people are here already. Thank you. Okay, that's fine. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
The rest of the day, yeah?
Hey, very well.